everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Flow channel. I'm Emily, and on this channel, we help you practice real English, everyday English, the English you actually use in real life.
Hey guys, I'm Henry. Welcome back, learners all around the world. We're really happy to have you here learning English together with us.
Henry, today we have a very important topic for our learners. It is a topic that makes many people feel nervous when they speak.
That is right, Emily. Today, we are talking about silence. Specifically, awkward silence.
Imagine this situation. You are talking to a native speaker, or maybe you are in a job interview. You are speaking, everything is going well, and then, suddenly, you stop.
Your mind goes blank. You don't know the word. The other person is looking at you, and the room becomes very, very quiet.
It's terrible, doesn't it? Your heart beats fast, you feel like you failed.
But here is the good news. Silence is actually normal. Even native speakers have silent moments.
Exactly. The difference is, native speakers know how to handle the silence. They know how to recover. And today, in this long lesson, we will teach you exactly how to do that.
We will take our time today. We will give you specific phrases, and we will practice them together slowly. So, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's get started.
Okay, Henry, let's look at the first situation. Sometimes silence happens because we need time to think.
Right. Maybe someone asks you a difficult question. Your brain is working, but your mouth is closed.
In this situation, many students say, or, for a long time. This doesn't sound very confident.
Instead of just making sounds, you can use filler phrases. These are phrases that buy you time. They give your brain 5 or 10 seconds to find the answer.
Let's learn the first phrase. It is, "That is a good question. Let me think."
Let's say that again, very slowly. That is a good question. Let me think.
When you say this, you are telling the other person, "I heard you. I am thinking. Please wait." It is polite.
Let's try a role play, Emily. I will ask you a hard question. You use the phrase, okay?
Okay, I am ready.
Emily, if you could change one thing about the world, what would it be?
That is a really good question, Henry. Let me think about that for a second.
See, that felt very natural. I did not feel awkward waiting for her answer.
Exactly. It gave me time to breathe. Here's another phrase you can use. Let me see how to explain this.
Oh, I like that one. Let me see how to explain this.
Use this when you have the idea in your head, but you are looking for the right English words.
Right. It tells the listener, I know the answer. I am just finding the vocabulary.
Let's try another role play. Henry, I will ask you something complicated.
Go ahead.
Henry, describe the plot of your favorite movie in detail.
Oh, wow. Let me see how to explain this. Well, it starts with a man who lives in a big city.
Perfect. That phrase, "Let me see how to explain this," filled the silence perfectly.
So, listeners, don't be afraid to pause. Just use words to fill the pause.
Now, let's move to the second strategy. This is my favorite one.
Is this for when you don't understand the other person?
Yes. Sometimes awkward silence happens because you didn't hear what they said. Or maybe you didn't understand a specific word. And usually learners just look at the person with a scared face. Or they just smile and nod, which is dangerous. If I ask, "Did you steal the money?" and you just smile and nod, that is a problem.
Yes, big problem. So, what should we do instead?
We use the echo technique.
The echo technique. How does it work?
An echo repeats sound, right? So you simply repeat the last word you heard, but you say it like a question.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Imagine you tell me, yesterday I went to the mumble mumble, and I didn't hear the last word.
Okay. Yesterday, I went to the pharmacy.
The pharmacy?
Yes, I needed to buy some medicine.
See what happened? I just repeated the pharmacy with a question tone, and Henry immediately explained more.
This is very powerful. You don't need to say, I am sorry, I do not understand. Can you please repeat? That is a long sentence.
Right. The echo is short. It keeps the conversation flowing. Let's try a harder one. Henry, use a difficult word.
Okay. I was feeling extremely fatigued yesterday.
Fatigued?
Yeah, very tired, exhausted.
Ah, I see. So, because I repeated the word, you explained the meaning.
Exactly. This saves you from silence. It puts the ball back in their court. They have to talk, so you can relax and listen.
Let's practice the tone. It must sound like a question. Not fatigued, but fatigued? Your voice goes up at the end.
The station? The movie? Tomorrow?
Perfect. Try to use this next time you don't understand something. It is much better than silence.
Okay, Emily, we have covered thinking time and we have covered not understanding. But what about the worst situation?
What is that?
When you are telling a story and you completely forget a simple word. For example, you want to say umbrella, but the word is gone.
Ah, the missing vocabulary. This creates a very painful silence. You stand there, snapping your fingers, saying, uh.
Exactly. How do we recover from this?
We use the description strategy. Do not stop talking. Instead, describe the object.
Describe it. Okay. What phrases can we use?
You can say, what do you call it? Or, it's the thing that...
Let's try it. Henry, pretend you forgot the word for airport.
Okay. So, I was going to the... Oh, what do you call it? The place where planes take off and land.
Oh, the airport.
Yes, the airport. Thank you. See? The silence didn't happen. He kept talking. He described the place.
If I just stopped and waited for the word airport to come to my brain, we would be standing there for a long time.
Right. So, describe the function. It is the thing you use to cut paper. It is the person who checks your teeth.
This keeps your English flowing. It shows you can communicate, even if you don't know every single word.
Let's practice one more. Henry, pretend you forgot the word wallet.
I lost my... Oh no, I can't remember the word. It's the small leather case where I keep my money and cards.
Your wallet?
Exactly. My wallet.
Listeners, notice that Henry did not panic. He just explained what the object does. This is a very advanced skill, actually.
We have one last strategy for today. This is for when the conversation is dying.
Yes, you know that moment when you have finished your story? The other person has finished their story. And now, silence.
And you don't know what to say next. This is usually when people say, okay, bye, and run away.
We don't want to run away. We want to extend the conversation. The best way to do this is to switch the focus to the other person.
We call this the how about you technique.
It is very simple. If you run out of things to say, ask for their opinion.
Phrases like, how about you? Or, what do you think? Or, have you ever done that?
Let's show an example. Henry, let's pretend we are talking about food, and the conversation is ending.
Okay. Yeah, so I really like Italian food. It's my favorite.
That's cool. How about you, Henry? Do you like to cook Italian food or just eat it?
Oh, I love to cook it. Actually, I make great pasta.
You see, the conversation was dying. it was finished. But I used, how about you? And a new question to start it again.
It is like adding fuel to a fire. It keeps the fire burning.
And the best part is, when you ask a question, they have to talk. You can relax again.
That is the secret, guys. The best English speakers are actually just good listeners who know how to ask questions.
So, if you feel silence coming, just ask, what about you? It works in almost every situation. Wow, we covered a lot today. We talked about 4 powerful ways to fix awkward silence.
Let's recap them quickly. Strategy number 1, buying time. Use phrases like, let me think about that, or that is a good question.
Strategy number 2, the echo. Repeat the last word as a question. The station? Fatigued?
Strategy number 3, description. If you forget a word, describe what it does. The thing for cutting paper.
And strategy number 4, the switch. Ask, how about you? Or, what do you think?
We hope these tools make you feel safer when you speak English. Remember, silence is not your enemy. Panic is the enemy.
Take your time, speak slowly, and use these phrases to keep your flow.
Thank you so much for watching Mr. English Flow today. If you like this longer, slower lesson, please let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us create more lessons for you.
Keep practicing, keep flowing. See you in the next video. Bye!
Bye, everyone!